Hey, how's it going, everybody? I just woke up from my freaking nap today. I got out of work late, and look at the freaking portfolio, guys. I want to know one thing, all right? Just one thing. If you guys were in my position and you were up about 262% on your call option, your long-term call option on Aphria, would you sell it or would you hold it? Because I still have about more than 2 years, I think, or about 2 years until this option expires and I'm 262%. I've bought it on December 7th. So, what is your opinion? Would you guys sell it already or would you still hold it? Because Aphria right now has just been roaring up. Aphria is up 9%, basically 10% just today. And of course, I have shares, and I don't know. Just let me know what your opinion is on that. If you would sell it or if you would keep on holding it. I don't know how much it can go up, honestly. Like, if you look at the market cap, it's at $5 billion. The merger is gonna be happening soon. I'd say it was. I thought it was gonna hit $20 by the end of the year, and apparently it might happen tomorrow. But if it has another 10% day tomorrow, it will hit $20. That's just crazy. I was not expecting this at all. I just woke up. I don't even know what's going on. Why everything's up so much today? I just woke up and boom, the market's green. I mean, I'm not complaining, but like, what? I don't want to get greedy with it. What would you guys do if you were in my position? Would you guys sell it and stack the cash? Cause look at that. That's almost 300% gain. I only paid $3.50 for the contract, so $350. I'm already up to 1,270 from it, and it's doing very well. Very well. I mean, how much more can you go, right? It's just a little update for today, just a quick one. I'm gonna make more videos later. But look at the portfolio is just roaring upwards. Roaring upwards. Look at that. 5,000, 7,000, 11,000. We're catching back up, baby. We are catching back up. Hopefully you guys are doing as good as me. Let's keep making that money.